DA Form 31 is the U.S. Army's request and authority for leave, the official form a soldier submits to request any type of leave, including ordinary leave, emergency leave, and passes. The form documents the leave period, the soldier's emergency contact and destination address, and requires signatures from the soldier and their chain of command. Leave must typically be requested at least 30 days in advance for planned absences. The top section captures the soldier's personal information: full name, rank and grade, social security number, unit of assignment, and duty phone. This identifies who is requesting the leave and which unit is granting it. Check the appropriate leave type box: ordinary leave for normal vacation time, emergency leave for urgent family matters, or PTDY for permissive temporary duty. Enter the number of days requested and the starting and ending dates of the leave period. Enter your leave address, which is where you will be staying during the leave period. Include a phone number where you can be reached. The chain of command needs this contact information in case an emergency recall is required. Once the form is signed by the soldier and approved by the authorizing officer, the departure and return sections are signed by the unit's CQ or SDO. Keep a copy in your unit's leave records. Unused leave may be carried over or sold back under certain conditions. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not official Army guidance.